But President Trump and the congressional budget included only $6.1 million, shockingly less than what is needed, less than 1% of the requests. Our state knows all too well how important it is to take hurricane and hurricane preparedness seriously. Today marks 7 months since Hurricane Matthew pummeled North Carolina, causing 1,000-year flooding and washing away communities in the central and eastern part of our state. This storm was so bad that there will be no other storms named Matthew. Matthew did an estimated $4.8 billion in damages to 50 counties in North